thanks for coming to my channel. It's me, Sindupsi, and I just want to quickly share my Henna experience with you. Before I go, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I talk about natural hair, and my hair bio is fussy and low porosity. Um, so I did a henna treatment. I conditioned my hair with henna, and my experience with it wasn't something nice. Like, initially I felt it was cool, and then as the week passed by, and what I was saying wasn't so nice. Okay, so I hope I look cute. All right, first thing, when I applied the henna in my hair, but I tried as much as possible not to get it so messy, but yeah, it was still like messy. um the one thing that really got me stressed out was getting the henna out of my hair. It was more like a battle. um I don't have a shower. I mean, I have a shower, but it doesn't work. So I use bucket. Okay, I was counting the number of buckets, and I used about 7 buckets of water to get henna out of my hair. Seriously, 7 buckets of water. And the bucket is about, let me see, 11 liters. Meaning I used about 77 liters. 77 liters of water. I can still feel some dust dropping on my shoulder right now, near touching my head. So it wasn't a nice experience at all. It wasn't a nice experience at all. Initially, I was pouring the water on my head, and then I got so stressed out on the third or fourth bucket. I began to dip my head in the bucket, like I was dipping my head inside the bucket just to make sure to get there. And I was shingling, was shaking the hair and all that, and it still didn't really come out. So that for me was really, really stressed me out, and uh, didn't not encouraging at all, and I don't even want to try it out anymore. So that is the cons that I got from using henna. But on a good part, it straightened my hair actually, because I was expecting my hair to really, really break because of what I had done to it. Because I left it for a while, I didn't wash it, so I was even expecting it to break and all that. When you haven't really treated your hair well, you have expectation already. So I was expecting that, and then I used the henna and I applied it and all that, and I could barely see breakage. So I was amazed that this henna is so wonderful. But unfortunately for me, I left my hair in one style. Sorry, I'm sweating. It is hot in here. It's supposed to be Hamatan, but it is hot. Okay, that's that. It's like I'm angry at nature. All right, so where was I? Okay, so I left my hair in one style, just a double pony, and the following week that I wanted to take it out, my hair was just stiff, like in the same position. I could barely pull it out and all that. So I had to spray, re-moisturize and all that, and wore a poof for another week. And then for the next week, which was the third week, I was planning to do a twist out, because I didn't really have time. There was absolutely no time for me to wash I was supposed to wash my hair every 2 weeks, but I didn't have the time. So I wanted to do a twist out because I had a function, and I knew my hair was a mess. It was as hard as a sponge. I don't know. It was more like the longer the henna was in my hair, the stronger my hair was getting. Hello, I have a low porosity hair. I do not need my hair to be hard at all. I need all the moisture that I can get in my hair. So I was forced to go back to the basics, which was doing the greenhouse effect. So I did a greenhouse effect for 3 days, I would say 3 nights, and which was way, way effective. And then I was able to do my twist out. But when I was trying to do my twist out, oh my god, I wanted to show you the hair that I lost. It entered water already. Okay, so when I was trying to do my twist, I was applying the product and all that. My hair was just coming out in, I don't know how to explain it, like coming out like this, like broken, but in clumps and tight curls. It was a sad experience for me. I wasn't expecting something like this at all, and I know that a lot of people swear by henna, they love it, they like it so much, but for me it's a no. The fact is, it worked to condition and straighten the hair, but it took all the moisture out of my hair, and then my hair is low processed, so it was just getting so hard, like harder every passing week. It's not fun for me. I want to be able to touch my hair and feel very happy with it. Okay, so guys, that is my henna experience. I will be proceeding to wash my hair now. It's wash day. And before I go ahead, I think I should let you know what I'll be doing. First, I'll be spraying my hair with hot water. Okay, let me say warm water. That's the first thing I'll be doing. So this is what I'll be using first. Normally, I will detangle my hair with whatever I'm using to deep condition. So I don't do a detangle and then condition and all those processes. No, I don't do that. My basic process usually is pre-poo, shampoo, then deep condition. While I'm applying the deep conditioner, I detangle. Use it to steam and then rinse out with warm water. I use warm water all through, but in cases like this, I pre-poo with conditioner. That's even if I want to pre-poo. There are times that I don't even pre-poo at all. I just go ahead to wash, deep condition and all that. I've been trying to cut my wash day to purest minimum, like 1 hour. So during all those steps, I really do not think they are so important. It's my opinion anyway. And then I'll be using my black soap DIY. This is a DIY black soap gel. I don't know, black gel. Black soap gel. Okay. It's a DIY black soap gel. I'm using it as a body wash and also as shampoo. Then my deep conditioner is this. I really love this product because it has a lot of sleep. Like I love products with sleep. And after which I will show you what the result of my hair is after I finish this. But this is not a wash day video, so I'm not going to show you all that. I'm just going to let you know and let you see what my hair looks like at the end of this wash day. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you stay with me, and I hope you subscribe. Please don't forget to like, comment, and also share my video. And okay, I don't know what to say, but don't forget to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.